Hi, I'm Mixologist Matthew Amouyal, and I'm here at Pedro's Kitchen and Brew in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Today we're going to make for you our signature drink, the Grand Limey Ginger Jack. This is a very airy and fresh drink. We're infusing fresh ginger and lime with our Jack Daniels, and a capper of our favorite Grand Marnier digestif. So we're going to take our freshly prepared piece of ginger and a splash of Sprite, or excuse me, Gingerale. Muddle it from the bottom of the glass. 2 wedges of lime. One and a half ounces of our Tennessee whiskey Jack Daniels. Now I'm going to fill with ice. Please note, this is a brown liquid at this point. We're going to give it a nice long shake for 15 seconds or more to infuse the ginger and lime into the Jack Daniels. Color's getting there. With this long of a shake, we're also going to bring the cocktail's temperature down to about -5 degrees, which is perfect serving temperature for any cocktail. Please note the clouded golden mist. Take our rock splash with ice. Strain. Gingerale. How you doing? Finally, Grand Marnier on top. Our garnish is a lime wedge, floater. And here is our Grand Limey Ginger Jack. Enjoy. Remember, come down to Pedro's anytime. We're more than happy to serve.
Sorry. Oh, you ruined me.